inspiring act of public service, a Jaipur-based tax consultant has been using his SUV as a makeshift ambulance for over 2 decades, helping accident victims reach hospitals in time and saving numerous lives. Sandeep Gupta, a resident of Jaipur, has so far rushed more than 120 injured persons to hospitals in his vehicle, including at least 35 whose lives were saved due to his timely intervention. The initiative began around 22 years ago when Gupta witnessed a critically injured accident victim die near the state assembly area while bystanders waited for an ambulance. Deeply affected by the incident, he resolved that no injured person should have to wait for emergency help. Since then, whenever he spots an accident victim, Gupta stops immediately and transports them to the nearest hospital. His SUV is equipped with first aid supplies, emergency signage, and even a siren to navigate traffic during emergencies. His efforts have also received support from the traffic police. In the year 2016, the Deputy Commissioner of Police issued a letter recognizing his work and ensuring him the right of way during emergencies. Several survivors have appreciated Gupta for saving their lives. Mrudul Gautam recalled that he and his younger brother were severely injured in a road accident in the year 2017 and were rushed to the hospital by Gupta. Doctors later said that timely help saved them. Similarly, Yogita Sharma said she was rescued and taken to the hospital by Gupta after a serious accident in the year 2009 when she was left injured in a roadside pit. Through his consistent efforts, Sandeep Gupta has demonstrated how individual initiative and compassion can play a crucial role in saving lives, especially in emergencies where every second counts. So viewers, would you step forward to help in an emergency like Sandeep Gupta did? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.